Afternoon, boys and girls. How are you doing? So we've got a new lid, Shoebeth C5, which I needed this new lid after my little spill last week where I cracked my head against a metal post. Thankfully I was wearing the helmet. So these shoeless are reported to be very, very quiet, or much quieter than a normal helmet. My previous helmet was a Scorpion. Oh, dead animal in the road. The problem I have at the moment is that I don't have a chin mount for this helmet as yet. It's on order, I'm waiting for it to come. But at the minute I've got the camera shoved in the top pocket of my coat. So I'm not sure how it's going to look, but we can try, can't we? So I'm on the way to Freshwater Bay. That rhymes, doesn't it? And there's a ride out taking place for an old boy, an old 85-year-old biker, who it apparently is his final ride and it's his last wishes. So I don't know what the story is with this man, bless him, I don't know the guy, but it was a post that somebody put out on Facebook to try and rally the troops and get people there. And bless him, this guy's going to get dressed up in his old motorcycling gear from the 1950s. He unfortunately doesn't have the strength apparently to hold a bike up anymore. So that's quite sad, but we don't want to be downhearted. He's going to ride pillion. And we're going to do about 5 miles from Freshwater Bay up to the White Mouse. So we've got about 4 miles to do till we get to where we're meeting. We meet at Freshwater Bay, like I say. And it'll be a nice trip down the military road. I may not go all the way down the military road. I might go through Brook Village and round sort of past Motiston. This is Bryston. My friend Nick lives here somewhere, don't know where. Liking the Shoebeth helmet so far. It is much quieter than my old Scorpion was. I mean, I can still hear wind blast, but it's kind of not around my ears. It's sort of, I've got the top vent open, I can feel it, can hear it sort of around there, and I can also actually feel the venting coming through. Because it's a little bit warm today, it's nearly 16 degrees. Which is lovely. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this Shoebeth helmet. Should have got one right from the outset. Although, that said, had I been wearing the Shoebeth when I had my spill last week, I would have been more upset than I was anyway about the helmet. I mean, I'm alright. I was okay. Had a bit of a headache and I had a bit of a concussion for 4 or 5 days actually. I took a right bang to the head. Didn't realise at the time, but hey ho, this is motorcycling and at least I can tell you about it, and then you'll have seen the video. So that's funny. Well, it's not funny, but yeah, I was in 2 minds whether to leave that video, whether to leave the crash on the video. But I sort of thought, you know, I've been riding since I was 16 years old. I'm now 54 nearly. So I've been riding nearly 38 years. And I think what happened to me with that spill I had, what that demonstrates is no matter how long you've been riding, the minute you lose respect for your bike is the minute you end up on your arse on the floor. And I was lucky, you know, I got up and I walked away from that with a bit of a headache and I was okay, but it just shows how quick it can happen. So, you know, let's all be careful, boys and girls. Not do silly things like I did. And I've only got about 10 minutes before I get to where we're meeting these guys. I'm hoping there's quite a few there for this old boy. That wind is really pushing me. Here we are, Freshwater Bay. Beautiful little spot this. I'm guessing they're going to meet in this car park. So here we are. There's a few here. Nice classic 350 Enfield there. That's lovely. What we got over here? Nice Porsche. BMW 1250 RT. I like them actually. I do like them. Couple of nice ones here. We've got a Yamaha Tenere, Kawasaki, and a Triumph, another Triumph. I think this must be the old boy. BSA on his jacket. It's a Bonneville T120. That's lovely. That's really nice. Let's hope there's a few more. That'll be great. You alright?
Yes, not too bad.
Good stuff.
Yes.
Are you riding the Triumph?
No. This is Pete. This is all what it's all about.
Ah, right.
My father-in-law. Dave's a good friend of the family.
Yeah.
This is his bike. And we've been trying to organise this for years.
Yeah.
Really. Pete's got his own bike, but he can't manage to ride it.
Bless him.
His son's done it all up.
He looks brilliant.
So he's always wanted to do the military road.
Yeah.
You know, since we've moved over here, he's come down. I'd love to do this on the bike.
Yeah.
Trying to wait for the as good a weather as we could get.
Yeah.
And,
I mean, I've just come down the Millie Road, and it's quite blowy.
Yeah.
But it's sunny. It's nice.
Yeah,
It's not throwing it down.
No.
So I think it's as good as you're going to get for April, isn't it, on the island?
Yeah.
Another nice Tiger. And another Bonnie. You alright, guys?
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
Yeah, I'm alright, thanks. Hello, mate. You alright?
Yeah, pretty good. Thank you for
Good.
turning up.
No, you're
Oh,
welcome.
you've got your old.
I've got my camera. It's shut. Right, here we go. There he is, bless him, the old boy. Peter, his name is. Bless him. He's apparently, I'm talking to some of the people, apparently he's never done the military road on a bike. And he doesn't have the strength to do it anymore, but he can do it as a pillion. So good on him, eh? Oh, nice bike. That's lovely, BMW. Can't remember what that was. That lady's leaning, taking a photograph out of a sunroof. Look, that's brilliant. There he is, bless him. You go on your way, sir. Enjoy this. We're all here for you. Look at all these, this is amazing. Amazing. Look at them all, brilliant. R18, that's what it's called, I can't remember. Herald. Right, here we go then, boys and girls. Let's go and enjoy this, eh? So then, that's the old boy's bike, or the one he was on the back of anyway, Bonneville T120. That's really nice, it's lovely that. We've got an old, I'm not actually sure what that is, it looks like a Kawasaki. Yeah, I think that's an old Kawasaki. We've got a Yamaha, not sure what that is, very nice though. And we've got a Jigsaw, who wouldn't have a Jigsaw 1000, Ducati Scrambler, that's nice, not seen one of those in the flesh, that's really good, actually. Then this is that little Herald I was talking about on the ride up. Yeah, that's cracking, that looks brilliant. Old Royal Enfield, classic 500. I say old, it's a 17 plate. Classic 350, we saw that at the car park. There's a Tiger 800, that's nice. And a BMW R1200R. I do like these Beamers. Now this is outstanding. Look at that, that's beautiful. It's a Kawasaki. Lovely, nice Akrapovic exhaust. It's got some nice trick parts, and look at those wheels. Those wheels are incredible, look at them. That's beautiful. Then a Triumph Street Triple. Same engine as is in my bike. Well, similar. Mine's a triple engine, it's just similar to that, that's all. And then another Triumph Tiger, another 800. I like that colour. The SA Bushman, that's cracking, look at that. I think that's the bike that I overtook on the way out after we'd gone up the hill. There's my machine, R1250 GS. And then this R18, it's brilliant that's excellent. Bonneville T100. And that's an old Royal Enfield that's lovely. Kawasaki Vulcan S. I had a Kawasaki Vulcan before this Tiger, except that was a 500 twin. It was alright, but I was too big for it. And then another Triumph Tiger XC 800 there. So yeah, really good turnout. Look at this, is it? This is lovely. This is the White Mouse. This is a lovely, lovely pub. This is where Amanda and I made the decision to come and live on the Isle of Wight. So yeah, quite poetic really. Beautiful views. Right, I'm going to head off, folks. It's starting to rain and I've not got my wet weather gear on, so I'm off. Bye for now.